So guys, ngasi ki aham pauda puzirakliba asi Yankhai Mathoirak Suba All Manipur Shumangla Festival 2022-23 Manipur State Kala Academy Imphal ni Sinduna Imphal ki Palace Compound da leiba Iboyama Sumangla Sanglenda Haukiba February 10 deki chatharakli Loindana
Yankhai Mathoirak Suba All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2022-23 Palace Compound da leiba Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglenda Mai Partner Chathari Festival asi Manipur State Kala Academy Imphal na sinduna haukiba February 10 dagi chatharakpani March 3 fawba numit kungani thoini chupna chathagadaba Yankhai Mathoirak Suba All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2022-23 asida nupa lila kanglup taraga humdoi amadi nupi gi lila kanglup taraga humdoi punna lila kanglup kunga tarukna saruk yari Festival asigi manung channa nupi lila kanglup ki lila sing utpa mai pak na loikifaga loinana haukiba February 9 dagi nupa lila kanglup ki shumang kumai sing mathang manau naina utpagi thabak chatharakli Yankhai Mathoirak Suba All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2022-23 asi lagliba March 3 da loishingadabani
February 10 dagi
Anirak Suba Workshop Production Amadi Mangarak Suba Holi Festival 2023 Sangit Natak Academy New Delhi Amadi Manipur Laingaki Department of Art and Culture Gimmiting Makada Brahmapur Furit Mayum Lairakta Laiva Hanjabam Mandapta Chatakre Thauram Aduda Saruk Yakiba Brahmapur Holi Delgi President P.S. Guneshwar Sharmana Haikibada Hauzik Matamda Kwaidiki Chauba Laina Makalama Oiriba Tension Amadi Depression Manghanbada Holi na Achauba Thaudang Lauri Holi Tawvana Isaida Luptuna tension free ohenba ngami hairakli Anirak Suba Workshop Production Amadi Mangarak Suba Holi Festival 2023 aduda NEJCC Kolkata gi member Khetri Jugindro Senior Holi member Aribam Gopi Ramon Sarma Amadi Hidangmayum Balabi Sarmasu Saruk Yaki
Sangsin Jariba Holi Dom Sina Tambadagina Loiba Bhavada Matek Amatang Ahan Mahoba Jai Sri Sri Govindji Maharaj ki haina lauba dagina hek loibada amuk lauba Jai Sri Sri Govindji Maharaj ki haina lauba sigi matek sida pung yaibadagina kotan khingbadagina mot tawbadagina puna maksida sangsin gi dan tan kai gadra isai khumba wal hogadra haibana singma mayam ji honari meida awa anagi aduga harau nungai bagi wakhan amata change isai du luppi dharma du changsilli naam du luppi adun tension yaudi adun masi khwaidagi phaba depression gi layem gi makhal amani haibase aina thajajai
Achumba makne haujiki matamda depression haiba laina ase khwaidagi sathiba laina makhal ama oirakli laina asibu manghanbada holina achauba thaudang lauri haiba asimak nungaiba paungjelamani holi tawbana miyoi amai wakhal nungai hali miyamnasu holi gi nungaiba ithil amadi ihulasi logbiu haina mami mapao gi maikedagi thamjai Lungdainu 4 ngayum haina minthonba Cookie visual album ama Churchampur district ki B.I. Jalonda Leiba Gladys Cafe da release tawduna miyam da kutsina kibigi mapao asi miyam punna me imkabilis
Lungdainu 4 Ngayum haina mingthonba cookie visual album ama Churchanpur district ki B Ajalon da leiba Gladys Cafe da release tawkre. Lungdainu 4 Ngayum haiba music visual album asi Impact TV cookie channel gi producer Khailun Khongsaina direction amadi produce tawbani. Music album asigi shaishaklivana Joseph Semte amadi saktam langliba singna Joseph Semte mashamak amadi Marina Haukipni.
Impact TV cookie channel ki producer Khailun Khongsai na direction amadi produce tawriba Lungdainu 4 Ngayum haina mingthonba cookie visual album asi miyamna pamna duna positive feedback yamna phangba ngambo abiu haina Mami Mapao gi maikedagi thagat pafongdok chebaga loinana yaifamangol su pizet matang swari yamna tema break amatang lawjege khonglayang hanjarake Impact TV mi intaduna lei. Welcome.
Asengba Irol haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film ama haukiva February 13 Manipur State Film Development Society gi Palace Compound laiva auditorium da release tawduna miyam da khudol tamkhre. Asengba Irol haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film asi Dosual Film Production gi banner makada KSA Subadani na producer amasung story writer oibaga loinana OC Mairana direction piva feature film amani. Film asigi screenplay na Manaubi ni loinana asengba Irol haina mingtholiva Manipuri feature film asida Ithoi Nongthanganvi amadi Avina chingba masak nairaba actor kayana saktam langli.
Film actress or so, actor or so, technician or so, ariba film se. Masi karmai torunge how Manipuri films developed. Masi koi khang daya diya. Koi history khang di. Aigi profession to history khang di. How's Hollywood films I see. Ariba film top 100 films of all time and list lay. Masi yengaga. Koi yenga mo kone. Charlie Chaplin film or any films. Adobe Hindi or natraga koi especially koi Manipur ki oiba koi Manipur ki talent se angat panem. I believe sincerely I takoi saying I want the thousands of people I world ki mafam ate the film festival mein amai chacharu re France the Cannes Film Festival America the New York Film Festival adu mayam se chalur matung da urur matung da akhoi ki Manipur da lai riba film ki talent se not only in films, arts and culture, sports, see unbeatable akhoi ki population ji ka high tar we di akhoi ki lai riba talent se per capita talent di akhoi se one of the best in the world, not only in India.
Aroima pauda pujakliba asina lakliba yausang kumhai ga mari leinana lamdam asigi miyamda H360 Pictures ke banner makhada saknaraba director Hemant Kumanna producer amadi director oidina puthokadaba Hairo haina mingthonba Manipuri music video album ge shooting gi thabak kanna chathari Manipuri music video album asigi shooting gi mafamda Mami Pao gi team ga unarubagi Mapao asi amu miyam punna miteng kaminasi
Machugi kumhai yausanga mari lainana lamdam asigi miyamda anauba mahau ama pinabagidamag H360 Pictures ki banner makada Hairo haina mingthonba Manipuri music video album gi shooting ki thabak kanna chathari Hairo hairiba Manipuri music video album asi H360 Pictures ki banner makada lamdam asigi saknairaba director Hemant Kumana producer amadi direction pituna puthokadaba album amani Music video album asida top ithil ama miyam da pina bagidamak Assam gi saknairaba actor Vivek Vora amadi Manipur gi saknairabi actress Soma Laishramna saktam langli yausang thim da puthokadawriba Hairo hairiba Manipuri music video album asigi shai shakli bina Pusparani ni
ये H360 Pictures की production है, so obviously ये याक्शंग खुदिंगी दो मोगी special production अमम पुला है, दो अखोई ना हंदक दी खरा है ना special ओह लगे ना viewers पति में यामगी पति के public में यामदा थम याम surprise ओह बके नॉने project है, so suddenly हेमंता ना approach तो रोक पा याम खंगोग तो ना plan तो ना मंगाता ने दो दा this special thing is Vivek Vora from Assam, the famous actor, he's going to do the co-act with me, so he's in the project of Hairo.
I'm very glad and very honored to be here because like I've never thought of coming here or never planned before like coming to visit Manipur, but like I got the opportunity thanks to Hemant. He have called me like to work in this industry, Manipur industry. So in this way I got the opportunity and also to meet the Manipuri people here the Manipuri industry, and Soma also is there. I can't understand the lyrics, the words.
But one thing is that he's so curious about like, so if someone says something like "kai hai," whatever someone says, he will imitate that, and then he will say it, and like, what is that meaning?
That is meaning. I'm very eager to know the language actually, and whenever the team used to speak, I'm very eager and I want to know the meaning. So what does it mean? Cairo. I like ask the people around here what does it mean. I want to know it. So they like they teach me also. That's the best part. And
he catches really fast.
Hairo haina mingthonba Manipuri music video album asi khurau chakri amata thangdana mai pakna lakliba yausang kumhai ga mari leinana lamdam asigi miyam gi mafamda khudol tamba ngambu ebi haina Mami Mapao gi maikidagi yaifat mangol pisari. And that's all we have for you in this episode. Matang episode ta ano Mapao kya ga loina na mulak chige. Until then, keep watching Impact TV. Bye bye.